This is the Bulldog 3D. I'm Darren. Today we're going to unbox and set up Bambu Lab AMS unit that I just purchased from the Bambu Lab Black Friday sale. Let's get into it. First thing out of the box, we have our cables, the filament hub. We've got the instructions and a small bolt and tube. And finally the AMS unit. With my AMS unit, it comes with 4 reusable spools from Bambu Lab. Let's turn the printer around and let's get this hooked up. First up, we're going to fix the filament bus onto the back of the unit. We get 3 screws to attach the filament bus. Use the Allen key that comes with your Bambu Lab printer. This is with the larger of the Allen keys. Here, there is a cutout for this to go, 2 screws at the top. You will need to unload any filament that you may already have connected. We can do that on the menu system. Come down to what looks like a hot end, come across and down to feeding. Okay, and we want to unload. So this PTFE tube comes straight out and into the Bambu Lab filament bus. Push that securely in there, and it won't come back out. So we'll take this PTFE tube, slides into this side, and goes all the way in to meet. Good one. And then, so that no longer comes out, and then slide this onto there, and then these no longer come out and they're all secure. 2 data cables, one's short, one's long. The longer cable goes from the AMS unit to the connector hub. The second connector hub, a port here, and there's another port underneath. Plug in the power, turn it on. On top, the AMS units are lighting up as it's initializing. And so right now I have some spare filament on this one. So you need to flick the little lever up a little bit to allow this filament to go in. And there is the filament loaded. There we have Bambu Lab AMS unit connected to my Bambu Lab P1S.